Hi and welcome my dear kids. Today I am back again with another video on the chapter Soils of India. This video covers all the solved exercises, that is tick the correct option and question answers from the back exercise of your social studies book. So dear kids, let's start the video. We will start our today's video with tick the correct option. Question number 1. Which soil has sand as its main constituent? The answer is desert soil. Moving on to question number 2. The least fertile soil is found in? The answer is Rajasthan. Moving on to question number 3 of tick the correct option. Which soil is found in area with high temperature and heavy rainfall? The answer is laterite soil. Now let's look into question number 4 of tick the correct option. The question is, which soil is found in the delta regions of river? The answer is alluvial soil. Now let's see question number 5 of tick the correct option. Which soil is not fit for traditional agriculture? The answer is laterite soil. Now my dear kids, let's look into the questions for which you have to write the answer in brief. Question number 1. Where is red soil found? The answer is red soil is found in A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Odisha and D. that is Jharkhand. Now let's look into question number 2, that is name 2 different types of alluvial soil. The answer is the 2 different types of alluvial soil are A. Khadar, that is new alluvial, and B. Bhangar, that is old alluvial. Now let's look into question number 3. What causes soil erosion? The answer of this question is the causes of soil erosion are A. Deforestation, that is cutting down of forests and trees, and B. Overgrazing, that is mostly the animals. Now moving on to question number 4. Which soil is developed as a result of leaching? The answer is laterite soil is formed or developed as a result of leaching. Laterite soil is formed, children, due to intense leaching of soil due to heavy rains. Question number 5. What is the cause of desertification and landslides? The answer to this is soil erosion makes the soil unfit for cultivation. This causes desertification and landslides. Now my dear kids, moving on to another set of questions for which also you have to write the answer in brief. Question number 1. Which type of soil is found in India? The answer is types of soil found in India are number A. alluvial soil, number B. black soil, C. laterite soil, D. mountain soil and E. desert soil. Now moving on to question number 2, that is how can we prevent soil erosion? The answer is we can prevent soil erosion by A. avoid cutting down of trees, that is cutting down of trees should be avoided. B. avoid overgrazing of animals, and C. increasing forest cover, that is planting of new trees and forests. Moving on to question number 3, describe the features of black soil. The answer to this is, the features of black soil are: A point, it is known for its capacity to hold moisture, that is, black soil has the capacity to hold the moisture and water for a long period of time in it so that plants can grow well. And B point, it is rich in magnesium and iron. That is, magnesium and iron are the important minerals which are needed for the plants to grow well, are found in the black soil. The third point for the same questions, that is the feature of black soil, it is good for growing crops like cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, millet, wheat and oilseed. Moving on to question number 4, why do crops grow well in alluvial soil? The answer is, crops grow well in alluvial soil because alluvial soil is very fertile and contributes the largest share of agricultural wealth. Question number 5, what is weathering? The answer is the process of breaking down of rocks due to variations in temperature, wind and water is known as weathering. Dear kids, hope this video was helpful to you in getting the answers. So if you like it, do hit a like, share it and pour your valuable comments and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.